Welcome to BP EV Pro and welcome to your new Nissan Leaf. This video will introduce you to the Nissan Leaf so you're ready to get on the road. The key for this vehicle is relatively straightforward. The Nissan Intelligence key comes with 3 action buttons: lock, unlock, charge port unlock. As well as using the remote key fob to open the lock, there's also the keyless entry and locking system. Once in the car, the vehicle is fitted with keyless start, so there's no need to insert a key into the ignition. You'll find on the reverse side a mechanical emergency key within the fob, which you release by pressing the button here. The keyless entry lock and unlocking system works by touching the button on the door handle, like this. Once inside the car, please ensure that your seating position is adapted to your comfort and safety, and that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Adjustments to your seat position are made using the controls here. The mirrors to the vehicle can be adjusted, like so. The Nissan Leaf has 2 control arms to the left and right of the steering column. The left lever contains the controls for all the light functions, including the auto lights and the indicators. The right lever contains the controls for all the vehicle's washers and wiper functions. With the understanding of the functionalities, and once in a safe and comfortable position, you can go ahead and start the vehicle, ensuring that the vehicle is in the park position. To start the vehicle, depress the brake pedal and push the power switch to place the EV system in the ready to drive mode. This will then display a ready to drive symbol on the dashboard. The vehicle is fitted with a foot operated handbrake system. Once you've started the car and have engaged drive with your foot firmly on the foot brake, you're able to release the handbrake with your other foot, like this. To activate the foot handbrake, just push down again, like this. The vehicle's gear control is located in the centre console and has the following positions: Park, automatically applied once the vehicle is switched off, or by pushing the button on the top of the gear lever. Reverse, Neutral, Drive D mode. This mode provides the highest level of performance for the vehicle. B mode. B mode, an advanced regenerative braking system, will increase the amount of energy recycled back into the power supply when the vehicle brakes or decelerates. The vehicle also comes with an Eco mode. By choosing Eco mode, the vehicle's range can be extended by up to 10%. It limits engine output, saves energy, and disconnects energy-intensive systems. To turn on the Eco mode, push the Eco switch located near the centre console. To activate Park, push the P on the top of the lever, like this. To select Neutral, push Control right. To select Reverse, push Control forward, like this. To select D mode, pull Control back. To place your vehicle in B mode, after selecting D mode, pull back once more, like this. By selecting both B mode and Eco mode at the same time, this will achieve maximum driving range, with up to 30% of energy saved. This combines maximum regenerative braking with the disconnection of energy-intensive systems. To switch off the vehicle, ensure the vehicle is in park position and push the power start button to switch off. The Leaf is fitted with an E-pedal, which you can turn on with the switch located by the gear lever, here. With the E-pedal switched on, lifting off the accelerator will begin to slow the vehicle as if you were braking. While this can efficiently slow and eventually stop your vehicle, you should continue to use the separate brake pedal as needed. The vehicle's infotainment system is located centrally here and operated via a touchscreen. Here you'll find Bluetooth capability, navigation system, radio, amongst all other vehicle settings. With BP EV Pro, you have unlimited access to the Pulse network of chargers within your contract mileage. By downloading the BP Pulse app to your smart device and selecting Continue as Guest, you'll be able to locate the nearest Pulse charging point and its availability. Your vehicle will come with your own RFID card, which will allow you to start and stop the charging process. Take this card with you on all journeys. You'll be provided with a card that attaches to a keyring for your convenience. This works in the same way as the Pulse card demonstrated in this video. you're able to utilise an array of BP Pulse charging posts, from Pulse 7 to Pulse 150 charge posts. In order to gain access to the charging point on your vehicle, you can either release with your key fob or the switch on the dashboard. To charge on a Pulse 7 charge post, you'll need to connect your cable, supplied with your vehicle, to the car and then to the charging post, like this. Tap your RFID card on the top of the charge post to start your charge. When you've finished charging, simply tap your RFID card again. The post will confirm your session has ended and you can remove your cable. To unlock the cable from the car port, press the Unlock Charge Port button on your remote key fob. To begin charging on a Pulse 50 or Pulse 150 charging point, select the Member option on the charge point screen. Then tap your Pulse RFID card on the card reader. The unit will then ask what charging standard you wish to use. You're selecting Chatty mode here. When connecting the vehicle to a Pulse 50 or a Pulse 150 charging point, you'll use the cables attached to the charging unit. For these, you'll need to use the left-hand port on your vehicle. After a few safety checks, the charge should connect. To stop the charge, place your RFID card back on the reader, and after a short delay the unit should shut down and the car will release the cable, allowing you to return it to the charger. You may need to also press the Unlock Charge Port button on your remote key fob to release the cable from the car. Our Pulse 50 and Pulse 150 chargers are designed to charge at a faster rate, which means you need less time to charge your car. To ensure fair access, please note that a £10 per hour overstay fee applies to anyone charging for over 90 minutes on our Pulse 50 and Pulse 150 chargers. You can of course use the standard home charging cable supplied with the car. This connects via a domestic 13 amp plug if you have access to one. This is not part of your charging package and would be at your cost as you're not using the BP Pulse charging network. This connects using the right hand socket like this. When using this, you must note the following. The Leaf comes with a very easy way of checking the charge status while charging. This is via a visual charge indicator on the dashboard. When all three blue lights are illuminated, this means that your vehicle is full of charge. Now you're the EV Pro.